So, are there any risks or challenges associated with momentum investing, especially in India in the current market?
I think India is the most beautiful market that is there for investing.
Okay.
A lot of youngsters and as well as old folks like me do not give so much credence to this fact that we have a runway of several decades ahead of us, which is sort of laid out for us. It's like a red carpet that has been laid out for investors, that you come to the market, you'll make money. I mean, you just don't have to do anything stupid. That's about it. You
Yeah.
just don't do anything silly. You'll make money just by default. You're putting money into index, you're making 11, 12%. I mean, this is virtually risk-free money.
Yeah. Right.
So, I mean, this kind of opportunity is not there in many countries. I mean,
Hmm.
forget, let's say, US or few other countries. I mean, you look around you, the world, 200 countries are there. This phenomena is not there. I mean, this is a unique phenomena, by God's gift given to few places
Yeah.
where there is abundant growth ahead of us. So the new generation who's watching this, in their entire life, I don't think they will have a paucity of growth in our country here.
Yeah,
So
that's
this, so this entire runway is already built. You just have to fly your plane on it,
true.
and not create any accidents on it. So very simple index investing, simple fund investing, simple any rule based investing will do quite well in our market. So there is really nothing to fear about as such. Now, in terms of difficulties of momentum investing, as you very rightly pointed out earlier, that it is counterintuitive. So you need to throw out your established concepts in your mind, that what is going up is bad and what is coming down is good.
Hmm.
You will see very often, stock is coming down, people are feeling very happy, that it's coming down, now I will be able to buy it.
Yeah.
Or stock is going up, they are fearful, oh gir jayega ye, so when so you have to totally revert your thinking. A stock that is going up is telling you a story that I want to go up more.
Hmm.
A stock that is coming down is telling you that there is something wrong with me, that is why I'm coming down.
Hmm. Right.
Now a stock is coming down and a person is buying and it comes down further, person buying more, and they get stuck by doing averaging and all those kind of things. The stock was already telling you, please don't buy me. It is saying in capital letters, do not buy me.
Hmm.
But you are saying, no, you are the best buy.
Right.
And stock that is going up is doing a green flag. I'm going up, I may do a sixer from here. And
Hmm.
you are saying, no, 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 no. The stock is telling me a lie. I cannot buy it at that height.
Yeah.
So it is a complete different mindset that you need to have. And younger generation has this advantage that they don't have any baggage yet. They've not spent 10, 15, 20 years in the market with that baggage of, buying low and selling high. So they can very easily catch on
Yeah.
to these concepts. And the way the world is changing, the way, liquidity is flowing all over the world, momentum has done extremely well in US markets, in Indian markets, because it is all about liquidity flows. It
Hmm.
is, I mean, you may be the most valuable market in the world, but unless the liquidity will come to you and the momentum enters your market, nobody will make money. A good stock that has been identified, with great value, will sit there until money moves into it.
Hmm.
And money will move into it once money realizes that there's money to be made.
इंडिया में बहुत सारे लोगों को इन्वेस्ट और ट्रेड करके पैसा तो बनाना है, बट अ लॉट ऑफ देम डोंट नो द राइट वे. इसी वजह से दे रिलाई ऑन टिप्स एंड एडवाइसेस फ्रॉम द रॉन्ग पीपल. और इसी सिचुएशन को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए हमने अपसर्च.club एज अ प्लेटफॉर्म बनाया है, जहाँ पे हमारे पास 50 से भी ज़्यादा कोर्सेज है फ्रॉम इंडस्ट्री एक्सपर्ट्स जिनके पास सालों का एक्सपीरियंस है. एज यू कैन सी, हमारे सारे कोर्सेज काफ़ी अफोर्डेबल रेंजेस में हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ज्योति बुद्धिया का ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग कोर्स हमारे पास सिर्फ ₹399 में अवेलेबल है. इसमें हमारे पास 6 घंटे का कंटेंट है और मैम ने वो सारी चीजें कवर की है विच आर नेसेसरी फॉर यू टू बिकम एन ऑप्शन ट्रेडर. अगर आप देखोगे तो फ्रॉम अ बिगनर लेवल टू एन एडवांस लेवल, ट्रेडिंग और इन्वेस्टिंग के रिलेटेड हमारे पास बहुत सारे कोर्सेज अवेलेबल हैं. इसी को और अफोर्डेबल बनाने के लिए हमने इन सभी कोर्सेज को हमारे सब्सक्रिप्शन मॉडल में भी इंक्लूड किया है. आप ये सभी कोर्सेज को सिर्फ 2,999 रुपीज में एक्सेस कर सकते हो। तो आज ही आप हमारी वेबसाइट चेकआउट कीजिए और अपनी ट्रेडिंग और इन्वेस्टिंग जर्नी को सही तरीके से शुरू कीजिए।
Correct, correct. So identifying that point कि चलो यहाँ से the stock is going to rally up more is the most challenging thing.
So I'll tell you a small thing about let's say 52-week high and or all-time high. Generally 90% people, if you ask, they will say 52-week high आ गया, अब इससे निकल जाओ. You know, I mean, get out of the stock. It has already gone to 52-week high. Now assume that, you know, a stock is going from 100 to 1000, for instance, and its 52-week high is at 200. Now stock moves from 100 to 200, or let's say the all-time high was 200. You know, so at 200, what will be your thought? The conventional investor will say, you know, बहुत बढ़ गया है. The stock has gone up too much. Let me get out. Right. So he has left that entire journey from 200 to 1000. The biggest gain of that stock of the last 20 years, he has left because of his fear. The stock was saying that I'm going up, but the mind said that no, I'm fearful. I want to get out of here.
Okay.
So it is like, you know, the what should I say? This Charles Darwin theory, you know, survival of the fittest. You know, the theory of evolution. That the fittest stocks will survive, and the fittest stocks are telling you that I am the fittest and I'm going for further. But you're not willing to believe it because of your, you know, biases in your mind. So any stock that goes to a new high or all-time high, in my view, is actually telling you that there is high probability that I will go higher.
In fact, I think I had read about a research where they said that if a stock is at its 52-week high, there is more probability that it will open a gap up the next day. So that is something that even I read.
So what happens is that, you know, let's say a stock is trading between 100 and 200 for a long time. So some people would have bought it at 200, some may have bought it at 180, whatever. Next time when it goes there, the people who are stuck at 200 will cause resistance to the stock. So the price will not be immediately able to move up because there's too much supply coming in at 200 of these past folks who have been stuck there. Once all that supply has been cleared and you are at an all-time high, there is no overhead resistance. You can fly like a bird above that.
Makes sense.
Right? So it is, see, the market dynamics is like a, you know, it's a very beautiful way to think about it. It's like an auction process. So, you know, what happens in an auction, that there are buyers, there are sellers. The buyers keep bidding up till the sellers are exhausted.
Okay.
Right. Once the sellers are finished, buyers will fall on their own weight because there's nothing left now to deliver. Similarly happens in markets also, that the buyers will keep bidding up till the sellers are exhausted, and you know the price will then fall on its own weight. But the whole thesis is that if a stock is going low, do not buy it. If a stock is going higher, buy it. It is as simple as that. I mean, somebody, when they ask me, what do you do? I say we buy stocks that go up and we sell stocks that go down. This is our entire thesis, simplified into these 4 words.
Okay.